If you're trying to organize your Excel spreadsheet, hiding and unhiding columns with information that you're not currently using can be a great way of doing just that. They still remain active and you don't have to worry about them being deleted, but they're out of the way when you don't need them. So how exactly do you do that? Well, we'll be going through the process in this very video. So what you want to do is first select which column you want to do this for. It can either be one or it can be a selection. And all of this works with rows as well, by the way, but we'll be focusing mostly on the columns here. Once you've made your selection, what you want to do is right click on the column names at the top, and then you want to click on the hide option that pops up, or you simply press H on your keyboard. This will hide all of the selected columns. As you can see, there will be a special mark left there in the spot where there are hidden columns, so you know exactly where they are at all times. So that's exactly how you can hide columns and rows in Excel. You can do it in multiple places and you can hide as many as you want. But how exactly do you unhide all of that information once you do actually need it? What you want to do is select the columns either side of the ones that are hidden. Then once again, right click the column names at the top and then click on unhide, or press U on your keyboard. If it's not working for you, make sure that you are not selecting the columns individually. Instead, you want to select the columns on either side with one movement of the mouse, rather than clicking on them individually, and then it is going to work for you. So that's exactly how you can hide and unhide columns and rows in Excel. So hopefully you have found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.